Anyways, I will just start for now. So we will describe the classical customer journey of a patient during a doctor's visit and the customer touch points in a digital AI-based customer journey with Ping An. So first of all, we all heard about Ping An, leading healthcare technology company in China, headquartered in Shanghai, partnerships with many hospitals and over 10,000 pharmacies in China. So very large company. And they have a main platform called Ping An Good Doctor app, which allows users to consult with doctors, buy medicine online, schedule appointments, and also receive health advice. So the app allows users to search for doctors by specialty and location, to consult with them through a text or voice or even video chat. And users can also upload their medical records and receive personalized health advice based on their health history and symptoms. Now I will proceed to actually describe the classical customer journey of a patient during a doctor's visit, and then I will describe those customer touchpoints, so in a digital customer journey. So first, let's see the example of the classical customer journey you have on your screen. First, we have the appointment scheduling. So the patient typically schedules an appointment with the doctor's office by phone, by email, or in cases where you cannot reach your doctor by phone or email, which is, for example, very often in the Croatian healthcare system, you have to go there in person to schedule an appointment to come again at a later date. So finally, the day and hour of the appointment is here. The patient arrives at the doctor's office and he has to, or she has to check in with a receptionist, or when you have more sophisticated doctor's offices, an automated kiosk. Then the patient is typically asked to fill out either a medical history form or describe their symptoms to a doctor or nurse who will write that down. And then the doctor performs the actual physical examination of the patient. And based on that and the symptoms the patient describes, he may order diagnostic tests such as blood work or some kind of imaging. Then, once the examination is done, once the test results are back, the doctor makes a diagnosis and recommends some kind of treatment plan. And finally, there is usually some type of follow-up, so the patient may need to schedule a new follow-up appointment, or based on the diagnosis, referred to some other specialist for further treatment. Now, let's see what would be the customer-patient touchpoints, customer-patient being the same person, in a digital AI-based customer journey with Ping An. So patients can schedule their appointments with doctors via the Ping An digital platform or the mobile app. So it's online. Patients can use Ping An's AI-powered symptom checker. They input their symptoms and they receive back a preliminary diagnosis and recommended treatment options. Patients have virtual consultations with doctors via the video chat or messaging, as already mentioned, thus eliminating the need for in-person visits in some cases. Ping An also develops AI-powered diagnostic tools, which can analyze medical images, provide doctors with more accurate diagnosis. So basically what Alex now said, AI can help doctors pinpoint the exact nature of the disease, because there are so many and doctors cannot have all of that information constantly in their heads. Then doctors can prescribe medication and monitor patients' progress through Ping An's digital platform, thus reducing the need for in-person follow-ups. And also Ping An's AI algorithms could analyze the patient's medical history and their lifestyle data provided through various gadgets to give the patient personalized health recommendations, such as diet plans or exercise plans. Now, all these touch points streamline the customer-patient journey by reducing wait times, increasing convenience, and providing more personalized and accurate care, which is basically what the patient in the end wants. And now I'll let Guy take over to show how we can use IP to create lock-in effects on these touch points.
Okay, thank you, Lionel. So for question 2 is I'm going to identify options to make relevant digital customer touch points. So regarding all of these 5 different factors, so can you go to the next page, please? Next, yeah, thank you. So here are the 5 different customer touch points. So the first one would be the diagnostics. So Ping An can develop AI-powered diagnostic tools that are integrated with their digital platform and mobile app. For example, they could create symptom checker tools where patients can put their symptoms and AI system would provide some kind of potential diagnosis and recommend the next step. And also additionally, Ping An could offer a feature for patients to upload medical images, X-rays, MRI, and so on, receive automated analysis and diagnosis, for example. For the second part would be finding a fitting doctor. So it could help patients find a suitable doctor. The digital platform could use AI algorithms that analyze patients' medical history, symptoms, preferences. For example, the platform could recommend specialists based on the patient's specific condition, or suggest doctors who could speak patient's preferred language, for example. Third one, with pharmacy, Ping An could partner with pharmacies to offer seamless online ordering and home delivery system for medication. And by integrating pharmacy services into their digital platform, customer would be able to order prescriptions, set up automatic refills, track the medical history, and so on. The fourth one, follow-up care. Doctors could use Ping An's digital platform to monitor the patient's progress over time and communicate the progress through messaging or video chat. So the system could probably include features for patients to input data from wearable devices, allowing doctors to monitor their health in real time and do a virtual follow-up care. The fifth one, online insurance purchase. So Ping An can offer online purchase method through their digital platform or mobile app. So customer could probably browse through a variety of health insurance options. They could also enter their personal information, compare different plans, select the most suitable one. So the entire process from selecting an insurance products and paying premiums would be conducted online, providing customer with convenient way of purchasing the insurance. Yeah, we'll go to the next one, please. So for Ping An, Good Doctor can create lock-in effects by leveraging various type of IP. So the example of each one would be patents. So Ping An Doctor, Good Doctor can apply for patents, protecting their innovative products, services, and technology. So for example, the AI-based Ask Bob Doctor Assistant to provide the personalized healthcare recommendation. So patenting this technology, the Good Doctor can prevent competitors from replicating some key features and maintaining the uniqueness in the market, creating the lock-in effect for the customers who seek advanced healthcare solutions. They could have trade secrets to protect some key proprietary algorithms, data analytic tools, unique business strategies, and they may have proprietary method for matching patients with the most suitable doctors and specialists using AI algorithms. So safeguarding the trade secrets can maintain competitive edge, creating lock-in effect for customers who appreciate the platform capabilities. Third one, trademark. So definitely Ping An Good Doctor will have trademarks to protect the brand identity. So Ping An Good Doctor itself and other related products. So the trademark help the customers to identify and distinguish the platform, product, and services from the competitors. And having the strong brand image, Ping An can have that lock-in effect, and customers are more likely to stay loyal to the brand. And copyrights, Ping An Good Doctors will have definitely various copyrighted materials, unique GUIs, software code, original content, can offer wealth of health-related articles, videos, interactive content, and so on by experts. So all these materials can, pretty much can prevent competitors from copying their user content without permission and so on. Yeah, so we'll go to the next one, the third question, and that will go to Thorsten and Shai.
Yes. So the question was, we're looking at this specific patent from Ping An and would have to determine how this fits into the customer journey. So to get a brief understanding about the technology. So there's an application that first the user selects the insurance policy, then the system sends a request about the medical history to a platform. And that's, of course, the medical history of the user. So that's being authorized by the user, and basically then there's a check between the user and the medical history. And in the end, the user confirms that the medical history is his own. And by doing that, the company, on the other hand, can have a look at what kind of insurance policy fits to the user. I mean, that's all quite a lot of technology details. And then the question, of course, is why should we patent that? Because it has to have some benefits. So the benefits of this method basically lies in the fact that the company, Ping An, on its own, can be ensured that the user is eligible for the policy, but also because the medical history is being retrieved, and the user would also like to have this method because related to the medical history, the user is also eligible for certain benefits. So meaning if the company already knows about the medical history, they would also be able to tell the user which kind of benefits he's eligible to. So that's actually also a method that the user would like to know and probably, and also like to use, and probably that could help to reduce the switching cost. If the user wants to switch from one insurance company to the other, this will definitely help him because he doesn't have to give a lot about the medical history because the insurance company can already retrieve that from other sources. Then I hand over to Chai.
Yeah, so in this slide, we want to also share about the roles of the pattern in protecting aspects of the customer journey. So we use this 360-degree figure to illustrate our ideas behind it. On the left-hand side, you can see this business model and also the customer benefit, which is to buy insurance online through Ping An's platform. And also importantly, it is an encrypted system so that sensitive information are kept confidential. On the right side, you could also see the IP role and also in terms of customer benefits, blocking competitors and also creating exclusivity. First of all, exclusivity rights to the technology and methods are being described in the patent application. And this can also so-called protect the digital touch points related to insurance purchasing via the internet, and also ensuring that Ping An has control over the user experience and also data security throughout the entire customer journey. So at the end of the day, this will increase the trust and also satisfaction among customers, and therefore creating brand loyalty by showing technological leadership, as well as improve efficiency and accuracy in the insurance purchasing process. So these also help to create the unique selling proposition for Ping An as well. Yep, so that's all for group 3. Thank you.